The old shake shingle and windows are gone. Hi, this is Kelly DeCesro. I'm at the Star Showcase Home benefiting the Wichita Children's Home. Today we're really excited to get the new siding delivered. We'll start taking off this old wood shake shingle, pop these windows out, put in some beautiful new black vinyl Windsor windows, and it's going to look amazing. So this is called a Moffett forklift. How it works is it goes on the back of our delivery truck. They take the delivery out onto the job site, then they remove the Moffett. They use that to actually pick up the product and place it wherever's appropriate on the job site. And check out how easily this Moffett takes the curb, even loaded down with siding. So the Star delivery team just dropped off our siding. It's from James Hardie. It's a pre-finished siding, so it won't need to be repainted anytime soon. Has a wonderful warranty. So now that we have it on site, we can have our Star crew pull off the old siding and get going installing the new. We normally don't do demolition as far as pulling off old siding, but because this is a special project and our remodeling partners are donating their time and talents, we're going to go ahead and get all this old siding off and get it all prepped and ready for our remodelers to come in and install the new siding. Thanks for watching, and be sure and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, or at starlumber.com for more episodes. Next week, our partners will put in the windows and the siding, and you're going to see a huge improvement on the exterior of this home.
Let Star guide you through the entire project.